Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how to save in Instagram filters. For example, for when you scroll through Instagram stories like this and then you see a filter that you want to try, you can just click on the filter and then click on save effects like that. So here I'm going to choose this filter. Okay, just click on the filter and then click on save effect over here, so the filter can be saved into your camera in Instagram, or you can also click try it to just try it directly. So just click here to save the effect and then you can go to your Instagram story like this to create an Instagram story. And go to your camera like this, and then you can see here the filter that we already saved earlier. I'm sorry that my camera is not active right now, but you can see that this effect that we see earlier is now saved in our camera, so we can just try it or use it later alongside with another saved filters like this. Alright, so that's how you collect Instagram filters. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.